Hey there, Binance users! Is your Binance app refusing to load? Don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick and easy fixes. First things first, make sure your Binance.us mobile app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on your device, and check for updates. An outdated app can often be the culprit behind loading issues. Next up, let's clear the app's cache and cookies. Open your Binance app and tap on the profile icon located in the lower right corner. Then, head to the settings and find the option to clear cache and cookies. This can help get rid of any temporary files that might be causing problems. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your mobile device. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes to resolve app glitches. Just power off your device, wait a few seconds, and power it back on. Still no luck? It might be time to delete the Binance app and reinstall it. Don't worry, your account information is safe. Just delete the app from your device, head back to the App Store, and reinstall it. Log back in, and hopefully the loading issue will be gone. All right, there you have it. Quick and simple fixes to get your Binance app back up and running. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips.